My name is Nikki and welcome to my channel. I'm a registered dietitian and I have been practicing for almost 10 years. I wanted to talk today about what you can expect on my channel, what kind of videos I plan to make, and I think you might have noticed by clicking on this video that my name is Live Simply Nutrition. I've always believed that living a healthy, fulfilling life should be easy, should be simple. You often see on social media extravagant food pictures using ingredients that you might not have heard of or are familiar with. And as wonderful as that is, it's not realistic. I have 2 little kids. I'm a busy mom. I don't have time to do that kind of thing, let alone what the average person without a nutrition degree feels, out and about in the real world. So my goal is to talk to you about what healthy living can be like, simply. Nothing fancy, nothing, extraordinary, extravagant, just simple and easy, as well as maintainable. So that's one side of my channel, talking about that. And then the other side is something called intuitive eating or mindful eating. This is a huge passion of mine, to talk about why diets don't work. Dieting has shown over and over again to not be sustainable. And often people go on diets and then maybe they're successful at first, but over time they're less successful. And they feel bad, they feel sad, they feel like they can't do anything and they're unsuccessful. And unfortunately, it's not the person, it's the diet that's failed. Diets aren't maintainable. They're not made for long-term progress. And so the diets are really failing us. We're not failing on diets. So I want to talk about what you can do to help improve your relationship with food, to help improve your relationship with your body, and to ditch dieting altogether and to start just living a life with more energy and more happiness and more love, because you can focus on all the positives versus the negative things about yourself or the way that you eat. The videos that I hope that you're interested in seeing. So click the subscribe button and leave a comment below. Thank you.